welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana and today's video is among my personal favorites. It's a shopping haul. It's a Colaba haul. So अगर आपने मेरा पिछला वीडियो देखा होगा आपको पता होगा कि मैं कुछ टाइम पहले कोलाबा गई थी with my boyfriend and we just had a chill day. अगर नहीं देखा है I will link that video as well in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Anyway, coming back to this video, so I went back to Colaba some time back and I found some really nice pieces, and the best part was that everything that I found was under 250 rupees. मतलब आज के टाइम में बॉम्बे में 100, 200, 250 में बहुत कम चीज़ें मिलती हैं. लाइक इवन इफ आई गो टू हिल रोड वहाँ पे भी बहुत कम आइटम्स होते हैं जो मुझे इतने सस्ते में मिलते हैं. ओके, सो या आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू शो यू व्हाट आई गॉट. Also, one thing that I want to tell everyone that we took all the precautions. Beside that, if you don't know what Colaba is basically a street shopping market in Mumbai. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first item that I've got is a cute little drawstring white crop top. Now I really like this crop top because pehli cheez so it's very trendy, and if you follow fashion in general you will know that drawstring tops are really trendy at the moment. I really like this one because the drawstring is very adjustable. Okay, if you can figure it out this way. But yeah, it's quite adjustable. I really like how it fits me, and yeah, I love the material also. It's not cotton, it's a mix of cotton and polyester, but it's good for Bombay's weather, so yay. The next item I have got is also a cami top. This would be a little dirty because I haven't washed it and I wore it like 2 days back I think. But I just wanted to take this for the video, so yeah. Okay, so one second. This top that I got, it was for 250. No, 200 rupees. So yeah. So this cami top, it's a very basic cami top and I really like this one. I like the color and I like this detailing over here. There's a line going on, stripe going on, and it's a crop top, but I love how it fits me, and I got this for 150 rupees, which I think is a deal because it's again a very trendy piece and I can pair it with multiple items, so yeah. The next item that I've got, I haven't worn it yet. I actually got it for someone else, but yeah, anyway. So this is a Pinterest inspired cami top. It's a mustard color. I don't know how it's looking on camera, but it's a very pretty mustard color, and I legit saw something like this on Pinterest. So this looks really nice when you wear it in person. It hugs the body at the right places, so this one is among my favorites. It was for 250 rupees, and yeah, the material is very nice. It's again not cotton, it's not polyester even, it's some synthetic material, those Chinese material that I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's very comfy and nice. The next items that we have is skirts. Now I got 2 skirts from the same vendor, and the reason why I got these skirts were the color and the print. I love the color of the first one, and this is the color. This is a very pretty purple lilac, whatever you say. Lilac I think a lighter shade hota hai, but yeah, this is a very pretty purple skirt. Now the reason I got this one is because pehli cheez, if you go to Colaba, वहाँ पे एक दो shops तो हमेशा होंगी skirt की which sell very pretty skirts. Like this is the second time I'm buying skirts from there, and I bought I think one in college, but yeah, whatever. So this one is really nice and I really like it. I love how it fits me. Plus it was a bargain because I got it for 250 only, and I love the material and everything about it. The next item is also skirt, as I told you. The same vendor again, for 250 rupees. I love this print. I mean, the way it is zigzag. I really like it. Also, I think I can wear it as a top also. ऐसा मैं इसको tube top की तरह कुछ बना के पहन सकती हूँ. So yeah, this one is very pretty. The next item is probably my favorite from the entire haul because I have been wanting a good pair of shorts in maybe grey color or any darker shade, but not blue. I wanted something grey or blackish tone, and I found these in Colaba. I also searched a lot online, but they were quite expensive, and I did not want to spend like 800, 900 on shorts because I knew I can get something cheaper in local markets and affordable as well. So I got this pair of shorts from Colaba. It was for 250 rupees, and it says that it's from the brand Roadster. So I think it's a manufacturing project maybe, because I don't know, for whatever reasons. But yeah, they sell a lot of manufacturing rejected pieces, and I think this is one of them. So this has my heart. I have so many. I love shorts, and I have quite a few shorts. I have blue shorts and colored shorts and everything. I never had black or grey shorts. So I was looking at it for such a long time. Also, when I checked on like Myntra and other sites कि मुझे ऐसे अच्छे से shorts कहीं मिल जाए, the reason I did not like any shorts was because they were not really high waisted, and I prefer high waisted since मेरे crop tops के साथ मैं mostly पहनती हूँ, और वो भी crop and then low waisted. It's just too much that I can't wear. So yes, I love these. High waisted, perfectly fits me, great quality. Fit is perfect. Anyway, so this was for 250 rupees as I told, and yeah. The next item, it's a scarf. I got it for just 50 bucks, but it's like huge. It's like a really big piece. मतलब ऐसा लगता है मैं इससे पूरा ड्रेस बना सकती हूँ. It can cover everything. Okay, so it's a really huge scarf, but I really like it, and I made like a top out of it. I posted a picture on my Instagram also, and I think 2-3 people messaged me also कि I really like the print. Where did you get it from? So it was from Colaba. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll link it below, so make sure you follow me there. Yeah, also this was for 50, and I love it. It's very soft, and I can pair it in multiple ways. I can make a top, I can make a scarf top, and I can just wear it as a scarf, or maybe, I don't know, but like too many ways to wear this. Coming to the last item of the vlog, haul. Okay, so if you are not from Mumbai and if you're watching this vlog, let me tell you, Colaba has the best jewelry you will ever see. Junk jewelry, and it's so pretty that if you go to Colaba, you will feel like buying the entire market. But unfortunately, I did not buy junk jewelry because I have too much junk jewelry, and I think I don't have space to keep it, neither do I wear it on regular basis. So there was no point in investing in something I might not use on a daily basis anymore. But I got an item that I feel is not something I really have. So yes. This is like a pearl choker, और I think ये काफ़ी trend में भी है आजकल. मैंने ऐसा 1-2 sites पे भी देखा है, and I really like it. It's very delicate and dainty. What I really like about this is कि it's very versatile if you see it. Like it's not only that I can wear it with Indian clothes or something, I can even pair it with Western. अगर मैंने जैसे अभी जो पहना, अगर मैं इसके साथ भी पहनूंगी, I think it will look good. Plus I think साड़ी वाड़ी के साथ तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. So I really like this choker, and I got it for like 100 rupees, which is pretty fine. But yeah, my tip would be, if you go to Colaba, make sure to buy some jewelry for yourself if you don't have enough. A girl can never have too much jewelry, but unfortunately I did not get, because I think I have a lot now. Coming to the end of the vlog, there is something I would like to tell. I went to Colaba with a lot of expectation, but honestly, whatever I got is great. But beside that, I feel that I could have shopped more if it was not raining, because the day we went, it was raining like heavily, and even half of the shops were not there, like the vendors were not there, the shops were closed, but whatever I could manage was great. So if you're planning to go to Colaba, don't go during rains. I went just post lockdown, post reopening of the lockdown, so yeah, don't go during rains. And yeah, that was it. This was my Colaba haul. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do like, share, subscribe, comment down below what is your favorite item and what you would like to see on my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.